This video is to help you get your pictures that you would have taken as a screenshot on Inventor or whatever to get them onto your Google Drive to put them in a slides presentation or to work at them somewhere outside of class. So if you take a screenshot on the desktops in my room, you will be saving them to your network drive. So this is how you take them off. So for example, I took a screenshot just a little bit ago, and I'm going to put this screenshot into my Google Drive so that I can access it on my slides presentation. So it's pretty easy. All you have to do is go into your files, either your Tech 7, Tech 8, Project Lead the Way folder, wherever you saved it at. Just take it and simply drag it over into your drive and just let it go. It will upload into Drive. And then as you start setting everything up, so let's say I'm going to go in here and make a new slides presentation. Okay, and I get to the point of my presentation where I would like to add a picture into it. I just go to my pictures. I can go upload from computer if I was on that computer. If I don't have it, if I'm on my Chromebook at home, I can go to Drive. And there it is, my recent files. I can go ahead and bring that thing over, and then that's already in my stuff. So it's an easy way to take a picture, get it into your presentation before you turn it